If you're a Johnny Cash lover, stop scrolling. Shape an A minor. With the skin of your right hand, slightly mute the bass. Now pluck middle, bottom, and top and bottom bass. Get that going. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Every time you pluck the bottom bass, pluck the 3 treble strings together, but mute your strings so you have a dead sound. You can have it ringing, but it doesn't give that boom chick feeling. Now the key when to start singing is when you pluck the bottom bass with the treble. So if you play 2 times our first pattern, go and tell that long-tongued liar, go and tell that midnight rat, tell the rambler, the gambler, the backbiter, tell him the cat's gonna cut him down. C, A minor, G, A minor. This last part is a C chord with the middle bass, then the bottom with the treble. Try to mute, back to the A minor, middle and bottom, then G on the top bass, then back to the A minor with your first pattern, and there you go.